Let's take a few minutes of your time to watch a complete installation of a console vault in a 2006 Dodge Ram. The console is located under the middle fold-down seat. Now with a Phillips screwdriver, you remove the front two screws in the console. Now slip the back of the custom-built vault under the rear seat bar and push into the console. With a key, now open the vault. From the package included with the vault, remove the two longer screws and insert them into the two front holes and tighten them down. Close the vault and lock it. Lower the seat. You now have the ultimate in high security storage installed in your vehicle.